Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, this is yet another KMART haul. Now, if you have seen my previous videos, I love KMART. There is no questioning it. It is probably my favorite store. I had to go to simply pick up a click and collect, and you can't just go there and not pick up extra items. So to be honest with you, I actually had to travel to a store that's about 30 minutes away from me, and it's a K-Hub store, which I'd never been to a K-Hub store before. Basically, I don't know if you care or want to know, it's just like a condensed Kmart, I guess, and their range isn't as big as a usual Kmart store. However, I found items that I have been searching for so long. I was so shocked, so impressed, so excited. So here we are with a haul. Let's get into the most exciting items. So this one is something I have been looking for probably over a year. It's reflecting a little bit, but it is the fridge food saver container. I actually have put this on my Christmas list with the other size. They only had one left, but as soon as I saw this other lady walking with it, I had to go and check. But yeah, the last one, I have heard such amazing reviews about this. So this one, from what I believe is the largest size, the 4.5 litre. So basically you can have like compartments in it. You can take that bit out. It's up to you, whatever works. And apparently it just makes your food last longer. You flick these little tabs here to open and close the, I guess the breathing holes as well. So yeah, I'm super excited to test these out and see if they are as good as everyone is saying. The lid's a little hard to get on, but yeah, so excited. The next item, let's go with my hard to get items that I can't believe I got, is a pair of the wide high-rise culottes in black. So this is with their plain waistband at the front, and then it's just elastic at the back, because I know they do have a style that's new that has like a button at the front. I haven't tried those on, but I tried these on last year and I actually bought a pair, then took them back. But I thought, I just want something casual and easy, but a little bit more like dressy in a way. So I picked these up. I've tried them on. I'm not sure, just because my stomach is one of those like areas that I'm a little bit self-conscious about, and it does accentuate it a little bit. So whether they stay or not, I don't know, but I can't believe I found them. So crazy. Okay, so next is we have this. It is a dump truck shaped sort of vehicle. I forgot to tell you guys prices. So the food container was $9. The culottes were $15. This was $10. So yeah, I thought that would be a really cute gift for my nephew. He's like into trucks and cars and stuff. So yeah, I thought I would grab that. Grabbed another one of the paint your own princess sets. Again, such great, cheap, amazing gift ideas for kids. So another of those. I picked up this, little bit random, but this is going to be, I don't know what's on here, a gift for one of my dogs. Now, I don't think this is gonna last long, to be honest. I feel like they're gonna get through it pretty quick. It is a light chewer number 3, but I thought it's kind of cute. It was $5, and I do think my dog might enjoy that. This cactus dog toy, so this also is a number 3, but this feels a lot more durable, to be honest. So I feel like this is gonna last a lot longer than that. This one was $7. This is new in the pet section as well. I got my Christmas wrapping paper. So this usually takes me quite a while to pick a wrapping paper. I know it's a little bit weird, but for some reason it just does. So this year I have gone with just Christmas trees. So pretty different. I usually go for like a silver or white, like no color or anything usually like this. But I don't know, something about this spoke to me. My theme is very silver. This does have a bit of gold, but yeah, I don't know. It kind of spoke to me. I did really like it. So these were 7 meters for $2. So this actually worked out cheaper than buying it in like the bulk packs. So I got 2 of those, so 14 meters all up. So hopefully it's enough because I know wrapping paper does sell out and I do like them all to match, so we'll see. And the reason I went to this store was to get this. So this is the 4 sandwich press, so you can have 4 sandwiches in there. This was $29. Now, my sister-in-law wanted a sandwich press for Christmas. So I actually looked at the reviews on this and the reviews are so good. So I thought, let's give this a go. I don't know if I just said $29. The box is a little beat up, which is a shame because boxes like matter to me. But yeah, hopefully she likes it. Again, reviews are great. So yeah, that is everything that I've picked up today. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all staying safe and enjoying the holidays if you're on holidays already. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.